Killing spree.
Didn't see that coming. Too bad those tails weren't.
Okay, everybody, I'm here. The party starts now.
Huh?
Ha! I say, god damn, I'm sexy. Am I not magnificent?
An ally has been slain.
How did I deal with you for 5 years of my life? I can't believe I was engaged to you. Oh wait, have to be in character. Why the f am I married to you? Can't you see I'm trying to do something here? Honey, get out of the way before I shove these feathers up your own ass.
I mean, am I not magnificent? Like if there was a personification of Uptown Funk? Right here. Just saying.
And if you don't stop, I'm going to Uptown Funk you up. I can't believe I just said that pun. I hate myself. Why?
Killing spree.
Didn't see that coming.
Never see it coming.